It's not too uncommon for babies to develop a yeast infection in their mouth called thrush. And babies who have thrush usually have yellow or white patches on their lips or on the inside of their mouth, and they can actually even form down in the esophagus. And this may make it painful to swallow or eat. If you suspect that your baby does have thrush, it would be best to have the doctor check your baby out. And in your case, you mentioned you had twins. So it'd be best to take them to the doctor and they can be checked out. The doctor can decide that that's actually what's going on and decide what treatment would be best. Now, there's a possibility that if you're breastfeeding, that you've actually passed it to your baby. So in some cases, the mother has to be treated as well as the baby, so it stops passing back and forth between the mother and the baby, and in your case, also the twins. The treatment is usually an antifungal cream, or in some cases, there's liquid form, depending on where the infection is found. And this antifungal cream will treat the yeast infection, get the yeast back under control, because it's actually normal to have some yeast colonize on our skin and in different areas in our body. But it'll get it back under control and get things back to normal. If you have any other questions for me, feel free to ask them on our Facebook page and recommend us to your friends and family too.